Hey, what's up, folks? I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I saw something today on ALDX on the tape. It was A plus, 100% A plus, and so I wanted to go through and show to you guys. I haven't been trading a lot of these stocks over $1 lately. It's been mostly sub-dollar stocks for me, so I didn't go as big because I don't have the same confidence that I used to on these. But nonetheless, this is one I should have sized into. Really nice tape setup. So without further ado, let me get into it here. So this was ALDX today. You can see on the chart kind of just a series of higher lows. We had lower highs. We had the high a day here, and then lower high, lower high, lower high. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, the stock's holding up pretty well. It had an opportunity to completely fail here. It didn't even touch VWAP. It's coming up, it's holding really nicely. We had this fake out candle here. We take out some lows, we take out a clear level here, and then it comes right back up. So I'm thinking this probably wants to swipe high a day. When's it gonna do it? I'm waiting for the tape to pick up. I've only taken, I think, 3 trades on this all through this move. I'm waiting for that right opportunity. And so here we go. We've got a larger ask at 256. So I'm watching for green on the tape through 256, waiting for the tape to really pick up in speed. We haven't seen that yet. And here I'm starting to see things are kind of moving. Okay, we're seeing some green on the tape. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know if this is actually gonna take off. It starts to. So I'm like, okay, we'll give it a second. We'll see what it does here. Waiting. Okay, we get a nice push there. We get a nice push. And now I start to see the ask build right there. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and just sell what I have and try to take the move through 260. So I'm just going to sell a piece and we'll wait. If it wants to pull back, that's fine, but the re-entry is back through 260. So I'm going to go ahead and sell here. And then we're going to see that ask at 260 build. But I want you to watch what happens on the tape as we sell into this smaller bid at 259. Watch what happens. We have a hidden buyer there. So likely the person that's sitting on the level 2 at 260, that seller, they're trying to entice people to sell their positions before we get this final squeeze. And so they're sitting on the bid as well, just eating up all these positions. You see, we get down to 1, right, with all the selling, and this isn't even like super large size or anything, but clearly there's a hidden buyer here. So again, whoever's sitting on the tape here, probably just trying to squeeze that last bit, all those last buyers up here out of their positions before we go higher. And what you'll see, if I can pause it quick enough, is we're just going to shoot right through 260. And we're going to see massive buying. See that? 14,000 shares, just tons of buying's going to come through. And immediately I'm going to hit this. I'm in at 262 there. Basically risking that 260 level. I want to see that 260 level hold. So if it fell down to 259, I'd probably have to get out of my position, but just waiting. And there's the high day break. Beautiful break, holding on for a little bit more. There's that secondary push, and just going to go ahead and get out there. So all in all, I only made like $140 on that particular move there. Again, this is something I probably could be taking with 4,000 or 5,000 shares. Maybe even 10,000 shares. But it is what it is. I'm not as confident on these plays anymore. Haven't really played stocks over $1 lately. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope that was helpful. And as always, like the video that tells me that you want me to make more of these. And subscribe to the channel if you want to get alerted when I post more. So happy trading, guys. See you in the next one.